Today we are going to learn fork function in our PHP series. So now let's start a string. This is a test for PHP UC first function. Okay, now echo dollar string echo UC first. So output is this will return first letter of the string in uppercase, and this will return as it is. So now you can see the changes. This is a test for PHP UC first function. So this is the uppercase first letter. So friends, if you think this video is useful to you, like this video and subscribe my channel. Make sure hit the bell icon because when I upload the video, you will get the notification. And share this video with your friends and colleague who wants to learn programming. Thank you very much for watching my video.